If you're looking for Velcro toys, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Velcro Toys UK Top 10 Collection. Number 1, Most Popular, by Yw-winn. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Tidlo. Number 3, by Peradix. If you like these toys, click the circle and get yours. Number 4, by Rcool. Number 5, by Lotus. Find these Velcro toys at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Concept for You. Number 7, by Toyrific. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Rcool. Number 9, by Vege. Discover more Velcro toys ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Premier Decorations Limited.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.